Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets The Vine, right in the heart of the hotel zone here in Cancun. You have some of the most beautiful views around and fantastic views specifically from this room category, a junior suite. Now this is the preferred club junior suite because it's up on the top floors. There's several extra bonus amenities. I'll talk about those throughout the tour, but it is important to point out that the layout is exactly the same as the other junior suites. They're just on the lower floors without those extra amenities. So follow me as I show you the room. As soon as you walk in the door here, you'll come through the foyer. You've got your luggage storage over here to the left. On my right-hand side, you have the first of 3 storage areas. You've got shelves up and down. You've got your robe and your slippers. Of course, they're gonna do daily turn-down service each evening, so they're gonna put those right next to your bed. You also have your golf umbrella and hanging storage. Continuing on to the other side, you've got more hanging storage here, shelves up above, drawers down below, and then right here you're gonna have your iron and ironing board. Continuing on, we're now in the bathroom area. Now over here to the right, you're gonna have the toilet, and right here you have a double vanity. What I like about it is a really large vanity with a bunch of space that actually wraps all the way around. Underneath you have some storage. You're also gonna find your scale, the incense, one of the Secret's signatures, and then you're also gonna have your hair dryer right here. Now the first upgraded amenity that I wanted to point out for Preferred Club is the larger amenity kit here. So they have several different bonus items and they're a little bit more upgraded as well. Continuing on to the other side, you have your magnifying backlit mirror right here, and then you have got the stool that's gonna pull out so you can sit and get ready. So now I'm headed over to the shower. I just wanted to point out this great towel rack that they have here with a little extra towel storage. And now we're inside the rainforest shower. Above me, you have this beautiful rainforest shower head. You also have a separate one right here, but one great feature that I really appreciate is they've got 2 different controls. So, sometimes when you toggle back and forth, when it's not that way, you get that nice cold bit. Right over here, you also have your upgraded amenities for the shower. As soon as you head into the room space, it really opens up and you get an idea of the size. So this really is a big upgrade to go up to the junior suite category. Over here to the left, you're gonna have your final storage. So you've got more storage up and down, you've got your safe, and I like that they have the extra plug in there in case you need to charge something. Now over here to the right, you got a little storage there, but you also have your mini bar. Right here, it's fully stocked. They'll replenish it as often as you like throughout your stay. And over the right, you have a few extra snacks, once again, a preferred club amenity. On the other side of the room, you're gonna have your Nespresso maker, and then they have all the cups and glasses that you would need to go along, and they'll happily replenish the Nespresso pods as often as you would like. So just next to your bedside, they do have one US plug there to use for charging. I oftentimes bring an extra battery backup so I can have more chargers if I would like, or a USB splitter. Now right here to the left, you've got your tablet. This is a great feature that they have here in every single room category, but you can use it to essentially replace the program. It's gonna have information on the spa, dining, maybe you wanna look at some of those dining menus, even tour information. But my favorite thing to utilize it for is the room service. You can order right on here. They'll deliver it right to your room. And you can also even order from the pillow menu if you're in the Preferred Club variety. As you can see, you have a really large king-size bed, and at the foot of your bed, you're going to have this couch. Now this faces directly at the TV. This is a large screen, flat panel smart TV, and you also have this extra sitting area and the table in between. I found that this is a perfect place to have some room service, maybe a cup of coffee, or if you want to have a friend over for a glass of wine before you head to dinner, this is fantastic for that as well. Now continuing on to the other side of the bed, you're gonna have another plug over here. Once again, those USB splitters are really nice. And then right here you have your light controls. I love that they have that both by the door and right next to the bed, and it's really easy. They're preset, so you just hit 1 for master on and off, or you can have relax mode or other options. Now over here to the left, this is one of my favorite features actually. You have a really, really nice relaxing reading lounger where you have your feet up, and then of course, you can take advantage of the views. All right, so now I'm headed out to the balcony. I just wanted to point out that these open up really wide here, so you can have like that indoor-outdoor living between the living room area and your balcony. Now, every single room here at the hotel has an ocean view, and the ocean views from here are spectacular. In fact, I think I see 7 or 8 different colors of blue. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, one unique feature is the dividers that they have here, so just make sure that you know that every single room has that the same. And then over here, you have your first seating area. So you've got a little love seat right here. Over on the other side, you have another single chair, and then you have a table, which is perfect for that cocktail, or maybe cup of coffee in the morning. So earlier on, I talked a little bit about the preferred club amenities. Now keep in mind, the other options are great here, but quite a few of our customers choose to upgrade to the preferred club. In addition to the private check-in on your own floor, one of the showstoppers is, of course, the incredible preferred club only rooftop pool. You gotta check that out. In fact, you can see our full resort tour. We've got every single space of the resort if you wanna see that. But in addition to that, you're also gonna have upgraded amenities throughout your entire stay that may really make it worth it for you. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We have a phenomenal relationship with them. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know that without a doubt, we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you at an incredible value.